Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear or flush the DNS cache in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes a website may not load properly or it may show an outdated version of a page. This often happens because the browser stores DNS information in its cache. Clearing the DNS cache can help resolve these issues and allow the browser to fetch fresh data from the server. So let's get started. First, open the Brave browser and then in the address bar you need to type brave://net-intervals/#DNS. I will put this one address in this one video description also, so if you need you can copy it. After typing this one, press enter on the keyboard. This will open the internal DNS page of the Brave browser. Here you will see a button labeled clear host cache. Simply click on clear host cache to flush the DNS cache stored by the Brave browser. Once you do this, the DNS cache will be cleared and Brave will request fresh DNS information the next time you visit a website. After clearing the DNS cache, you can close this page and continue browsing normally. That's it. This is how you can clear or flush the DNS cache in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the GearUpWindows channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.